Why is it called a C-type charger? A C-type charger, also known as a USB-C charger, the type of connector that is used to charge electronic devices such as smartphones, laptops, and tablets. The C in USB-C stands for Type C, which refers to the shape of the connector. USB-C is a relatively new standard for charging and data transfer that was introduced in 2014. It was developed by the USB Implementers Forum USB, a group of companies that includes Apple, Google, HP, Intel, Microsoft, and others. The USB-C connector is smaller and more versatile than the older USB-A and USB-B connectors, which were larger and had a limited range of uses. One of the key benefits of USB-C is that it can deliver much more power than the older USB standards. This means that it can be used to charge larger devices such as laptops and even some electric cars. USB-C is also capable of delivering data at much faster speeds than the older USB standards, which makes it ideal for transferring large files and streaming high-definition video. The USB-C connector is also reversible, which means that it can be plugged in either way up. This is a significant improvement over the older USB connectors, which could only be plugged in one way. The reversible design of USB-C makes it much easier to use, especially in situations where you can't see the connector, such as when it's plugged into the back of a computer. Another benefit of USB-C is that it's becoming more widely adopted by manufacturers of electronic devices. Many smartphones, laptops, and tablets now come with USB-C ports, which means that you can use the same charger to power multiple devices. This is a significant improvement over the older USB standards, which required different chargers for different devices. In conclusion, USB-C is a relatively new standard for charging and data transfer that was developed by the USB Implementers Forum. The C in USB-C stands for Type C, which refers to the shape of the connector. USB-C is smaller and more versatile than the older USB standards, and it's capable of delivering more power and faster data transfer speeds. The reversible design of USB-C makes it much easier to use, and it's becoming more widely adopted by manufacturers of electronic devices. Please support my work by subscribing this video, commenting below, and sharing it with your friends. Thank you from the bottom of my heart.